Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you convert your text scripts into presentation videos on this AI called Eli.io. So you have to go over to the site Eli, elai.io, and once you are here you just have to create a free account. So this is free guys. Once you are here you will be redirected to this page and you have to go over to AI storyboard to create our scripts. So for here, we can select your template. So let's choose a random template here. So over here, you just have to command this to make you a script. So let's say make me a script about like that. So once you are here, you just have to select create slides. Okay, so as you can see, you can edit the slides wherever you want. But for me, I'm good with this and just click on convert to slides. You just have to wait for this to load. So there, as you can see, you can freely customize it. Elements also, you can change the avatars also, that. But for me, I'll just choose the default one. And you can really explore this on your own. And you can also upload your voice here if you want, or you can have no speech. But you can also choose whoever text-to-speech voice you want to hear or you want to choose. So for example, we would choose this one
Artificial intelligence.
over this one.
Artificial intelligence.
So let's choose this one. So let's hear that.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our
Let's see.
world and intelligence is in industry. However, as AI becomes more
So as you can see,
in a futuristic world where AI intelligence is a typical day in the life. In a future world, a brilliant
there. So you can also undo it if you want, guys.
Artificial intelligence, or AI.
You have to go over to render here so that you can see the AI avatar speaking. You can play the entire video if you want.
Artify is questionable ethical consideration.
And there, guys. So once done, you just have to go on to tap on render here and then start render. You can also have subtitles here. So okay, guys, once done rendering, this will be uploaded to your email. So just take a look on that and you should be good to go, guys. So there, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.